Hello, in this lesson we are going to be learning about the crop tool. So to start, let's add our view, and this time let's add something different. Let's add the check body, the valve body, and let's click on the right view and just add it. So we have something like that. So how the crop tool works is, in order to use the crop tool, you need a sketch. So because if I click on this crop tool, you see it's saying please select a closed sketch profile in the drawing to view the crop tool. So we need a sketch. So the first thing we are going to do is draw a sketch. You can use a spline, you can use any line. So we'll just draw, let's draw a spline, let's say around this area, something like that. We click OK. So now when we go into our view layout, we select the crop tool. What it does is it crops everything out and only shows that area. And that is how the crop tool works. Sometimes you might have a whole bunch of drawing on here and you just want to show a particular area, and that is what you use. And you just remember to use the crop tool, the crop view. You make your sketch first around the area you want to crop out, and everything for this option, for this view, is right here on the left side, and you can change the scale and all the properties that are pertaining to this crop view. So anyway, that's how it works. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.